Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing roasted fish rokari, known here in Malawi as Sanjika. So first off, as you can see, I started by rinsing the fish in cold water just to make sure that it's nice and clean. Once that was done, I placed the fish in the pot, added a bit of water, not too much since I'll be adding more gradually as it cooks. Next, I started working on my onions, so I chopped them, and once the first bit of water dried up, I added more. I did this for about 3 to 4 times, letting it cook nicely on medium heat for around 20 to 30 minutes. While that was going on, I started working on my soup. In another pot, I heated some oil, and then I added my onions, salt, and then toasting the tomatoes to make that rich simple sauce. Once the soup was ready, I poured it into the pot with my fish and then gave it a gentle shake so that everything mixed perfectly, and letting it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Just look at how thick and delicious the soup looks. No spices, we are keeping it local and authentic. If you have reached this far, please hit the subscription button, join the family so that you get to watch more local content from me. That was a 10 out of 10.